where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me, where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes, start on wishing well. It's your heart's desire, carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, where you don't have to dream because there's you. Nothing around us, just flames in the fire, and through the night they burn like me for you. Covered in wonder, sweet in the silence. Oh, we'll keep running and we'll keep running. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes, start on wishing well. It's your heart's desire, carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean, but you don't have to dream because there's you. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. Warm nights, long drives, nothing here but moonlight. Raindrops on the red dust. It's never smelled so good. Lay by my side, keep your eyes wide. Watch all those shooting stars fly. Almost after midnight, hold my head tight. We're so alike, just like fireflies in the shelter. All we need is love. All we need is love in the shelter. All we need is love. All we need is love. Sunrise in our eyes, so sweet to be far from home. All hands
Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chateau and the first video in a little while. Just not been the most healthy, and so dealing with a few health issues, so it wasn't doing some videos. That wasn't a great idea. Don't worry, I'm alright. It's just lifestyle choices and previous life choices catching up with me, I think. That and old age. Right, it's not done a bad job today. So you get a better idea of where we are. Chateau corner. And this was, you can see the skyline actually. So there, straight across to there. You just couldn't get in any of that. And it never mattered because when the dog was alive, I didn't want him getting into this corner basically because he'd get into the moat and stuck. Plus the wild ducks used to come into this corner and nest. But I decided the dog isn't here. I wanted this area to be clean and clear, and I checked and there weren't currently any ducks there. So it was time for it all to go. I do need to break out the chainsaw and get these big bits, but you can see where we are now. Now I'm just going to clear up the mess currently made, because basically what I want to be able to do is want to be able to have the little robot mower, which as you can see is doing a great job out here. I want that to be able to get into that corner and do this properly. So I'll clear up and do that. Right, that's been adjusted, because obviously before it used to just come across there and miss this section. Now that's going to go in there and keep on cutting that back. I will have to get all this stuff around the edges cut down, rake this lot over, spread some grass seed, but in the meantime that can get on with what it's supposed to be doing and just chopping everything up. And I don't think that's a bad section. We tidied up the rhododendron. They're about to flower actually. They're going to look really, really, really pretty. I can't wait to see those. So, a section not only cleared back but cleaned up. Good stuff. So, that's another job done, cleared up. Move back onto the chapel garden tomorrow, I think, with a little luck. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye now.